Hello y'all, this is Terry from Rankin Studios, coming to you from Alabama. Before I start, I want to mention the Junk Journal retreat we have coming up August 5th through the 8th. We have only 4 openings left, so if you're interested, please contact me through my Etsy store, Rankin Studios, one word, or my YouTube channel, leave a comment, or on my Facebook, leave a comment. Rankin Studios on Facebook, and that is 2 words, or you can contact me on Messenger. Here we have Fleur De Lis. How appropriate, because that's what she has on her front cover. She has a vintage Fleur De Lis. It's got metal threads and beading on it. It's raised, it's beautiful. We have Holtz Canvas fabric and cheesecloth. She has a cotton muslin closure that's been coffee dyed and upholstery trim. She is 8 inches by 5.5 inches with 1 signature and 92 pages. This is some vintage music paper. Images are from Graphics Fairy. This image is from Medieval Mirage, the paper. I have a seed packet. This image is from the Graphics Fairy. This is from a flower botanical book. I have some lace on this pocket. There's a lot of sewing in here and a lot of journaling. And I have left the threads. If you don't like them, you can trim them off, but I like the texture. This is a little card that has a couple scripture readings. Beautiful doily I got from A Tattered Dream, Denise. This is ArtyMaze. I just love this paper, and it's from ArtyMaze Nature Walk kit. Here we have a flip, tag, and a Sacred Heart. I love the coffee staining. This is some of my homemade paper that I used India ink and made the leaf imprints and then coffee dyed it and made copies. Some Edith Holden pages. This is from Calico Collage, and it's Songbird, I believe. This is ArtyMaze. These bags came from A Tattered Dream. Have a nice belly band and an Easter glassine bag or envelope. After the holidays, you can remove the ephemera, the Easter ephemera, and put the next one in. We have some keys in the center of the signature. An uptuck. This would be a great gardening journal. It'd be a great gift. Wedding present, birthday present. A nice memory keeping book. There are so many things you can do with these books. This is a double belly band. This is masking paper. Some more feed sack material. Pom-pom trim. And we have a file folder here with another Easter greeting. And another feed sack flip. We're fortunate to have a lot of feed sack material here in the South. Or at least I found quite a bit. There she is. She'll be in my Etsy next week. Thank you. Come back again.